Hey, welcome back to Wonderful Weirdos. In this episode of the evil Lair Projects and Builds, we're going to make a fractured hammer. That's right, you've seen it in the Thor movie. You know what I'm talking about? We're going to make an exploding version of it. And we're going to use this. I found this on eBay. I didn't even know you could still buy things like this. This is an old wooden circus mallet. It's just called a circus mallet. They've had them in the army and stuff like that. But basically, it's just a very primitive gavel mallet made out of wood. So what we gotta do is we gotta draw out where we're gonna cut it all up, break it basically, and then piece it back together using some coat hangers, resin, glow powder. Let's get this thing chopped up, cut up. Let's do that first. Let's go.
It hit me on the L like in the summer. There's a smell that this job is breaking me down. Like what you doing trying to spell. I saw my face in the reflection. Eyes, it wasn't hard to tell. Need to pause and change up direction. Out the time that I excel, I've been staring at this computer screen. The green, it might avail all my effort and dedication. Not enough to stop the bills. Never mind, it caught me designing. No time to recline and chill. Come to find the kind of life I had in mind, it wasn't real. I heard the city was electric. That was something I could feel. The only thing is it get hectic with your hand on that third rail. The blip told me it's yours. The speaker said kick your sneakers and watch the closing doors. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What's the key to life? Money, power, success. Time waits, don't know how many hours is left. Before that envy hit him and niggas plot on your death. Damn. Thought everything was Gucci, didn't know that I was depressed. The wrong ones to fought with them bullets shot with your flesh. Van moves, nothing for forensic artists to sketch. Never introduced my kids to a bitch I hardly respect. I never harbor feelings, that's something I often neglect. I'm staying out the way of that fuck shit that y'all project. No Serato came in this bitch with the record set. Protect your neck, goons is lurking, inspect the deck. You looking like a lick to a nigga that's check the check. Yeah. Stop it, you not Hercules. I'm certainly taking the threats as hyperboles. These squares fall in love with these bitches with my surgery. I told her slurp the D till it hurts the knees. She know to give me time at the top of the morning, bitch. I got certain needs. Mow the grass until the serpent bleed. The pastor is a pimp, pay the church's fees. They will not repent, just eat all our cheese. They tried to box me in like Tito Ortiz. Pray your hands, grief and more RIPs. Are y'all not entertained? No, you not appeased. I pray that when we perish that we all get peace. Money, love, more time with my seed. Shit, that's all I need. It hit me on the drive when I was on the 405 that this life is a 90s tune, cause she do be passing me by, and if all I wanted was dough and to have a spot in the sky, then why would I have tried to flow? I don't know, I must have been high. I recall a few years ago, it's so cold in Queens I could die. In LA in December, hard to forget if it ain't July. I got your message, I'm working on the reply. It occurred to me to switch up for a flip phone sometimes. I be seeing people say I should switch tones, you kind. I appreciate the thought, but don't think so. I'm fine, long as Tane think I'm doing my thing. Thanks, it's palm blowing in the wind outside of my window and it's sublime. Was sitting out on my porch before the storm. Now I'm inside looking from behind my closing doors.
Alright guys, check this out. This is actually kind of cool. It's a UV light. We should get it nice. They kind of charge up on the inside here, right? And that's just to make sure that there's some on the inside of this. When we bring these together, I'm going to mix in another color of aqua, purple, and a little bit of neon green. So when we pour it in there, it kind of fills in the gaps and everything, then we can clean off all the resin on the outside, giving it a glowing effect. Or at least that's the plan anyways. We don't really know. I've never done this before, so we're going to try it out. So in this next part of the video, you're going to see me kind of bring these two pieces together. We're going to use some saran wrap, some high gloss resin, we'll mix in our powders, and start filling it up. I just hope I have enough. I don't know if I got enough. We're gonna find out. So yeah, that's the next part of the video. Let's go.
Saturday special, Saturday special. You know what I'm saying? Stress over upset you. Don't know how to rest. What? Saturday special. Maybe we could be friends more. I got a job, but I be free on the weekends for sure. I ain't shallow, rather hop in you deep and me and more. She a short shot to the thing to lean on. I don't take a thing too light, so when you like, you be doing your thing. I know you right, been a minute since I met you by now. I know you right, like a motherfucker, fuck what they saying. I hold you tight, told the world I need a break like a drum roll. Plus you got enough soul, I speak and my tongue goes a mile a minute. And mine, your eye didn't, we already crossed paths before. Now you grinning, I don't even need a big ass smile. You got an attitude, but that's your style. Maybe if I could get up in your latitude somehow, then we could put the past back where it belongs for now. Ow. Saturday special, won't stress over upset you. True story. Don't know how to rest you. Saturday special, Saturday special, won't stress over upset you. Don't know how to rest you. Saturday special. I used to punch the clock, taking lunches in a box, crunching numbers, will I make it to the top? I've been frontin', I ain't even had a weekend, I forgot, got heat, I need a drop if I'ma ever get up and out of this spot, God. Fridays are so-so, Sundays I'm low dose, Mondays are fun crushers like cold flow. Girl, you keep me up like no dose, you know those. You my southern comfort like so cold, you Yoko. I used to suffer from a case of the Tuesdays, but now I feel on top of everything like a toupee. We don't even need no food and liquor like Lupe. Everybody working for the weekend too, ayy, cause Saturday special, won't stress over upset you. Don't know how to rest you. Saturday special, Saturday special, yeah. Stress over upset you. Don't know how to rest you. Saturday special.
All right, check it out. That came out better than I thought, and that's pretty cool. But besides just the effect of it all, I think this is a really cool hammer. Again, a little decorative piece, or maybe you can use it. So if you like this video, if you like what we make here, or if you got an idea of what we can do here in the old evil lair, let me know. I love making a good weapon. Make no mistake, this is a weapon. That's really cool. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this project. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.